Hi, my name is Stephanie Robbins, and I am the owner and president of Robbins Plumbing. And today I want to talk to you about salt softeners, but more than that, I want to talk to you about the sign that it has failed and what to do about it before it becomes incredibly expensive. So salt softeners have a brine in them, and then they also have a medium so it's two different containers. One is for brining, the medium is for the washing and the filtering, that kind of thing. So you have those two canisters. But a sign that it has failed is orange water. So not rusty water, but that can be the start of it. But you will see, and we will attach a little video clip, what looks like orange fish eggs coming out of your faucets. The second that happens, I need you to just stop everything that you're doing. So what has happened is there is a part inside that tank, and it's either called, depending on who you talk to, the diffuser or the strainer basket. And that mesh filter has broken, and it is allowing that medium into your entire plumbing system. So as soon as you see that coming out of any plumbing fixture, stop everything you're doing. Because the second you turn on the next fixture, or you flush a toilet, or you turn on your dishwasher, you've allowed that medium to flow further into all of those places. So the second that you see it and you know what's happened, you can stop it there. But it will flow as soon as you go to take a shower and it's like nothing's working. So every fixture that you turn on just allows let's call it infection, to spread. And now it's not just there at the water softener, it's not there at that first faucet, it has multiplied and grown and infected your entire system, which leads to a lot of drama. So flushing out your system of all of this medium debris is a challenge. It means taking apart all of your faucets, your angle stops, clearing out your supply lines, hopefully taking apart your toilets and the parts all go back together and nothing has to be replaced, taking apart your shower valves and hoping those go back into place. It is taking apart everything. It is flushing your water heater multiple times. And flushing your entire system, because that medium actually will sit inside T's, inside 90s, inside 45s. If there's anything within your domestic water lines that allows that medium to kind of sit and hang out. So it's really, really frustrating and challenging for both you, our client, and for the plumber, because it just keeps coming and coming and coming and coming. And it's just a hot mess. So when you see that orange fish egg coming out of a faucet or out of anything, first step, stop. Turn off everything. Stop. But at your water softener should be a bypass. But I will say that if your softener has broken to that point that it's possible the bypass isn't working, you'll want to confirm that that bypass works that's on the softener, because you want to stop the contamination. If it's not working, it's absolutely in your best interest to shut off the water to your house and not let anyone use anything. And to make this an emergency, truly, if you want to use water in your home, don't let anyone use anything and get a plumber out right away, stat, to get that system in place, in check, and everything flushed out that's been contaminated so it doesn't spread further. Because once it gets into appliances and faucets and toilets, it's a hot mess. So when you see the orange stuff, stop using everything, bypass that softener. If that didn't work, then make sure to shut off the water to your home and call a plumber, definitely as an emergency or at the level of priority that you want to be able to use plumbing. If you have questions about your water softener, or you think, hey, maybe this is me, definitely reach out to us. You can reach out to us at 623-486-4657. You can also reach us on our website at robinsplumbing.com or by email at info@robinsplumbing.com. I hope this video was helpful for you. And don't forget to shut that softener off if you see orange fish eggs.